lose weight, the best ab exercises ever. Every overweight male never stops thinking of losing weight, but very few of them really put their thought into practice. Some even dream further of getting a six-pack abs and walk on a beach in a swimming trunk proudly. Again, few of them really put their dreams into reality. For those of you who really want to make your dream come true, getting a solid six-pack is not difficult. You only need to know how to do it right. You can spend hours doing sit-ups and get nothing much out of it. To your dismay, you quit. You can spend time in the gym with fellow obese persons and get the same result. Again, you feel disappointed and quit. What's next? In this article, we will discuss the best practice to get that six-pack abs. You need to take time to explore all possible options and pick the one that suits you best. If I tell you that the best movements for increasing your ab muscles are the ones that require you to lose your stability, are you going to believe me? The reason behind it is that this kind of movements will cause contraction in your muscle tissues in order to maintain the balance. The more contraction will be met with more resistance. The more your muscles resist, the stronger they become. The next issue is what abdominal exercises are the ones that reduce your balance. Any regular ab exercise such as one-leg squats or one-arm shoulder presses done on an unstable surface will do. When you combine this exercise with proper diet concentrating on protein, you will see the result fast. Furthermore, you do not need to exercise strenuously. It is more important to do it regularly. Do not make any excuse to skip exercises. People who fail to lose weight and getting a six-pack always have excuses for their failure. The best time to exercise may vary from person to person. Some find it easier to exercise immediately after getting out of bed because they still feel fresh. Others find it better to exercise in the afternoon, when all their daily chores are done, and they can rest right after the exercise. You pick any time that you find convenient, but you need to do it regularly, otherwise you can expect no concrete result.